Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got some exciting news to share with you all about Tesla's plans for 2025. They're bringing some crazy new designs and features to their models, but they're also removing some features and making some changes that some owners might not be too happy about. If you're a Tesla owner or a potential owner, you'll want to stick around to hear the good news and the bad news. First, let's talk about Tesla's master plan for 2025. It's getting more interesting by the day, and I've got some new details to share with you. On October 10th, Tesla is going to unveil two new things: the CyberCab, which is an autonomous taxi, and the robo-taxi fleet, which is a service that allows Tesla owners to commission their vehicles to join a network and make money by picking up passengers. This is a huge deal for Tesla, and it's going to be a game changer for the company. Now, let's talk about the CyberCab. This is a purpose-built, fully autonomous passenger vehicle that's going to be a major player in Tesla's robo-taxi fleet. It's going to have wireless charging capabilities, seats that can swivel around, and no steering wheel. This is the future of transportation, folks, and it's going to be amazing. Just imagine being able to hop in a car and have it take you wherever you want to go without having to lift a finger. But what's also interesting is that we may have just gotten our first look at the CyberCab. A photo posted on Reddit appears to show a CyberCab prototype vehicle driving around at night on the Warner Brothers lot in Southern California. This is allegedly the real deal, and it's our best look yet at this new Tesla vehicle. I've got to say, it looks pretty sleek and futuristic. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the Model Y Juniper? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The Model Y Juniper is still on track to be released soon, and it's going to be a major upgrade to the current Model Y. It's going to have a new design, a larger battery pack, and some amazing new features like a front bumper camera and an auto frunk. This is going to be a game changer for the Model Y, and I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. But what's also important to note is that Tesla is removing some features from their models. For example, the Model 3 is no longer going to have a rear screen, and some of the fancier features are going to be reserved for the more expensive models. This is a bit of a bummer for some owners, but it's also a necessary step for Tesla to keep costs down and make their cars more affordable. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the holiday update? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The holiday update is still on track to be released soon, and it's going to be a major update to Tesla's software. We're expecting to see some new features like Sirius XM integration and maybe even some user interface changes. This is going to be a big deal for Tesla owners, and I'm excited to see what's in store. But what's also important to note is that Tesla is prioritizing their newer hardware systems over their older ones. This means that if you've got an older Tesla, you might not be getting all the latest and greatest features. This is a bit of a bummer for some owners, but it's also a necessary step for Tesla to keep moving forward and innovating. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the new cheaper Tesla? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We're expecting to see a new cheaper Tesla released soon, and it's going to be based on the Model Y platform. This is going to be a more affordable option for people who want to get into a Tesla, and it's going to be a major game changer for the company. But what's also important to note is that Tesla is still working on some other projects, like the Model S and Model X refresh. We're expecting to see some new features like RGB ambient lighting and a front bumper camera, but we don't know when this is going to happen.
Tesla ended up the day green, 0.5, almost 0.5, but we broke price, finally intraday, broke the high of this candle, but got rejected by the 235. Look left, trade right. The 235, support, resistance, resistance. Once again, intraday resistance. We still wait for Tesla to close above the 235, to close above this candle. And as long as we will not get a clear close and a clear breakup above this candle, we don't take long on a Tesla. When I say we, it's the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. I assure you, you will find what you're looking for. Until the next video, stay safe.